Hello, can you hear me? I don't know if it's already live. Okay, apparently yes. So I'm Alexandra Spalato, and we are going to build a Gatsby site powered by WordPress with our free theme of Gatsby WP Themes. So I have some slides here. And so first, you need to subscribe on Gatsby WP Themes in order to receive an email and to download the necessary files. So, yes, the chat is here. Okay, great. I just learned to this platform just before, so it's not so easy. So as everybody downloads the files, okay, so next you need to download the starter files and open them in VS Code. And then in order to install the dependencies, this is on the Gatsby WP theme doc, you receive in the email a token. Okay, we can see the whole screen rather than the slides. Yes, I know, because we cannot share several screens, and that's the only way I find to do it. The past 20 minutes to learn how to do that, and that's the only way. So yes. So yes, so you install the dependencies with the token. So I have already done that and opened that in VS Code. And I'm going to remove the slide because that's the only way. So here I have an instance, and I have to remove my face because I think the code is too small if I don't do it. So, okay. So I have already installed the dependencies. And next, you need to prepare the WordPress instance. So in the email, you have also WordPress demo files. And to create a fresh WordPress install in local WP, you can also have one online or whatever, but local WP, make the things really easy. And so let's go. I have already done it, of course. And here you log in with admin and password Gatsby WP Themes. Uh-oh. But first, on the fresh install, you need to install a plugin all-in-one WP migration, and then import the demo that you receive in the mail. It's a file with WP trace package file. And then when it's done, you log into your website, and this is what you have. Then in your Gatsby starter, you take the env sample and you rename it to env, or you create another env file, and you write here the URL of the Gatsby WP URL. So in my case, it's gatsbyconf local. And now we can run Gatsby develop. Okay. Okay, it's running. It will be soon up. Can you see my screen well? Okay, let's take always more time with the camera. Well, we are going to explore a bit the starter. So here in source we are shadowing the theme that is responsible for getting the data, which is the Gatsby theme blog data light, because this is the free starter, which has less options. On the premium ones, you have comments and search and other things. Yes, we're up. So okay, come on. Yes, so this is our blog with dark and light mode. So single post, archives. Okay, as you can see, it's really, really easy and fast to get up and running. So this is a single page. Come on. And so now we are going to make some easy customization to begin. We are going to change the font options. So we go to config. And we are going to change this. Let's choose a Google font. Okay, let's try this one. Oops. And for the other one, this one, Gothic. Okay. Save. And here we need, as we change the options, we always need to relaunch Gatsby Develop. So, sorry. And then we need to change the font family also in Tailwind, because we are using Tailwind to make all of our styling. So here in, oh, I didn't save the config. So, okay, I'm going to relaunch again, sorry. Okay. So here in Tailwind, we can customize everything. So here we have the font family. So this one. And this one, Gothic. Okay. And okay, that's for the fonts, but in Tailwind we have everything. So we have all the colors, and all the colors, we have mapped them to all the areas of the website. So header, footer, menu, post, and of course the dark mode. So we are going to change, for example, the header background to purple, and the background to tomato. I'm sure it will be very nice. Okay, so now it's running again. And let's see when it's up. Okay, the time. So here in Tailwind, you can write any style or write them inside the component. Here we have the style for WordPress also to make work the basic Gutenberg blocks, the core blocks. And here I was saying we are shadowing the Gatsby 10 block data light, which is responsible of getting only the data from WordPress. And so we are shadowing it to bring all the UI components that are in the starter. So as you can see, we are making a new fragment to get our data. And then here are the query. And then we get here the component, and this component holds the page template, for example, that are here, and all the UI components are there. So in templates, here we have page. We also are using, we have created a SEO plugins that use Yoast. And so the post here is, and here we have all the components. So it makes it really easy to customize and change things to build. You can build something totally different using this code base. And so now I think we're up. So let's see. By the way, if you have questions, go to the Q&A and I will answer at the end. Oh, why this doesn't work? Okay. That's the live things. Every time it's working. Oh. Let's go to the home. Okay, I don't know why the colors and things have not changed. This is really simple normally. Let's do other things in between and we will come back, but that has no special mystery. It should work. Now we are going, as you can see, the home page. It's a blog, but let's see, we want to have a home page, have the blog in another page. So here in WordPress, we create a home page. Okay, and here I have put a gallery. It takes time. Okay, and in settings, reading, we choose here it's your latest post, and now we want the home page and the post page to be blog. So we save. And normally for that, you see here it's changing. We don't need to restart the engine. Okay. So now normally we should have the home page. Now, what happens? Wait. Did I make a mistake with the number or something like that? No. Why it's not working? I'm really sorry. It's the first time. Yes, thank you. Thank you. The colors still don't work, but as you can see, we have a home page with a gallery, and so this is a gallery from Gutenberg, and it works perfectly. And now if we look at the blog, we have our blog here. Yes, this works. So now we are going to create a new content type, and for that we need to install a plugin named Custom Post Type UI. We are going to install also advanced custom field and WP GraphQL ACF to use custom fields with WP GraphQL. And then in custom post-op UI, we are going to create a new content type. I have already done it. That we are going to name projects, and yes, we want to show it in WP GraphQL. And here in projects, I have created 2 projects, and in custom fields, I have created a project fields and the project URL, the project, and we want to show the external URL. So, and of course, we want this this field to show in GraphQL, and we name it project fields. Okay, so now here are our projects, and project 1 here, and as you can see, the URL. Okay, and now we want to display these both types on our project. So for that, we are going to use the Gatsby's file system route API. We have 2 ways. We can use this this way, which is really simple, or we can use the create page API. So we are going to use the file system. So here we are going to create inside pages, sorry. We're going to create a file, new file that we name WP project wri.js. No, that's not right. We have to write it like that. Okay, like that. And wait a second. And so here we create our page. So I have the code ready. I didn't open it. So okay, I put the code directly because we have little time. And okay, and I comment it. So okay, so we have a layout component here, and we just get the data query here. So in our project, we want to URL, the title, the content, and the project fields project URL. And here we get this data, and we display it like that. So now we are going to relaunch the engine again. Oh, it's not saved. Okay. Okay, and after that, we just have a few minutes because then we will have the Q&A. Okay, in the Q&A, I have a question. Does this theme support creating Gutenberg blocks in Gatsby? We support the core blocks only by parsing the content and bringing the styles, but we don't support other Gutenberg plugins. So, and now we are creating in the premium themes more advanced themes, but we will use ACF and flexible content as it's more adequate for to work with Gatsby. There is an error somewhere. Okay. What I have done, I don't know. Right. Mm-hmm. I think I make a typo somewhere. Sorry. No, that's good. Let's look at GraphQL. Ah, yes, of course, it's not dead, but okay, sorry, I don't know what is wrong there. Yeah, you have all the code on GitHub, and it will be in the slides. I'm really sorry, I don't know what happened here. It's in the page query apparently. Oh, I think I didn't like it. That's yes, because I copy and I didn't copy it right. Okay, this was the mistake. Okay, let's run it again. Thank you, Daniel. I was not looking the live chat while searching the problem. Then the last thing I want to show you, but we are really running a bit out of time. It was to display the free last post on the front page. So as we are running out of time, I'm just going to read the code here and comment it in our last 5 minutes. So here we are going to do that on the page template, which is here. Okay, it is built. Okay, this is built. So let's see if our post is here. Okay, so now if we do that, we will have the 404 and we should see the project page here. Okay, yes, let's see, project 2 is here. Oh, finally, these colors are working. You see, this nice tomato color has finally appeared, but I don't know why you don't appear. Oh, I know, because we are in dark mode, as you can see. I don't know why the font didn't work, but our colors are working. So, okay, project 2 is here. It worked, and this is the URL is working too. So the last thing, yes, I wanted to show the last free post on the home page. So for that, okay. Okay, so here, what I do, I'm going to use a useStatic query, GraphQL, and link from Gatsby. I make the query for the last post, so all the WP posts in 3, and then I display them conditionally. We have this is front page, so we display it on this conditional. So if it's front page, if it is front page, we return the free last post, and that should appear in our home page here. No, no, yes, I didn't save. Okay, let's save. And okay. Yes, they are here. And so now we go to the post. Okay, we have 3 minutes. So do you have other questions? Sorry for all the things that were not working. Okay, no questions? Okay, nothing in the Q&A. Okay, so I'm going to end the session. I hope you like it. And I think when the video will be published, there will be a link to download the slides where you have the link to the also to the repo and everything if you want to play with it. So thank you for attending. Have a nice day. Bye.